Good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing the topic is plate tectonic. Now, in the sense, uh, the all the geographers are interesting to in the sea floor spreading, but after that they are they want to they are interesting in the topic of plate tectonic. They wants to know that the what the type of the plates and the what the earth is movement, and all the things are depend on the plate tectonic theory. The both the two uh, persons, the one is the Mike Mackenzie and second is Parker and also Morgan, and they given their ideas in 1963 is called plate tectonic theory. And after that if we uh, if the meaning is of this plate tectonic theory, the tectonic plates is a massive irregular shapes slabs of the solid rock, generally composed of the both continent and the oceanic lithosphere. It means the both two continents and two and one lithosphere is also included in the one plate and the two plates, and this all the things is cover up the plates, and the plates move horizontally over the atmosphere and rigid unit. The lithosphere included the crust and the top mantle within the thickness arrange varieties between the 5 to 100 kilometer in the oceanic part, and the continental part 2000 kilometer above in continental part. And on the behalf of their plate tectonic theory, when the two plates are come uh, each other, then the volcanoes and other activities are great. And generally there are many plates. If we're discussing the major plates and minor plates, it was the major plates is 6, and the small plates are 9. These are the, and what are the major plates if we're discussing, uh, then the if we show on the map, the major plates are six major plates, and the European plate, Eurasian plate, African plate, Eurasian plate, uh, American plate. This was the included the northern and the southern America. American plates, Eurasian, African plates, and Arctic plates, and Pacific plates, and the Indo-Australian, that was the Indo-Australian plates, and African plates, and these are the some major plates, and some small plates also included in it. That was the Cocoside plates, Nova plates, Scotia plates, Carroll plates, Aleutian, Juan de Fucan plates, and Caribbean plates, and these are the small plates. And if we are discussing the process of the and the movement of this plate, and that was in divided into the three parts. And the first is three types of plate boundary. First is divergent plate boundary. Second is convergent boundary, and third is transform boundary. These are the three type of boundaries, and their work is different from each other. And first is the divergent boundary. It is generated to when the two plates are far from each other, and the boundary, and due to this work, due to this shape, and the mid on like example of mid Atlantic ridge. Here I show you the mid Atlantic ridge that was a part of in the SS shapes is called the mid Atlantic. When the two plates are going far away from each other, these are the divergent boundaries. And the convergent is the opposite of the divergent. When the two plates come near each other, and these two plates are coming each others, and uh, the location with shrink of the two plates occur is called the subduction zones. When the two plates come each other, and if the two plates come each other, then there are four type of situation are created here. Oceanic, and continental, oceanic, and oceanic continental, and continental. These four type of plates part of this convergent boundaries. And due to this, when the volcanic eruption, due to this convergent plates, and the two boundaries are comes each others, and the process is going through. And the last is the transformer boundaries. That was the when the crust is neither produced neither destroyed, when the nothing process neither divergent neither convergent, the when the two plates are going for each others without any destructions and productions is called the transform boundaries. And these are the specially as a eruption of the do not take all along the entire crust the same time. There is the differential movement of a portion of the part away of the axis of the earth, and also the rotation of the earth has affected on the separate block of the plate portions. And the next one is the rate of plate movement. What was the rate of plate movement? The parallel the mid-oceanic ridge helped the scientists determine the rate of the plate movement. This rate of the plate that was the less than 2.5 centimeter per year. It means the Eastern Pacific near the Easter Islands. East Pacific rise near Easter Island, and the South Pacific about the 400 kilometer west of the Chile has fastest rate more than the 15 centimeter. It means the two conditions are here. If we talking about the Chile, here the Chile, and this is the part of the when island is going this side, and this was a part of the Chile that was also is more faster than the 15 kilometer of the year per year. Western side, it means the western side of this part. And the force of for the plate movement, next is the force of the plate movement. It means more the scientists believe that the earth was solid motionless body. However, the concept of the sea floor spreading and the unified theory of the plate tectonic have emphasized that both the surface of the earth and the interior are not static and the motionless but are dynamic. The fact that the plate move is a well accepted fact. The mobile rocks Benthus and the ridge plate is believed to be moved in the circular manners. The heat material rise to the surface and spread, and the beginning to the cool and then sink back into a deeper depth. And Harry has that's also the sea floor spreading, and in this, and he also said that the mental this lies believe in the ridge plate is a drive force behind the plate movements. And the last is the movement of the Indian plates. Indian plates also move the northern part, and in the Indian plates included all the Australian and Indo-Australian plates and all the this Malaysia, and these all are the part of the Indian plates. And the Indian plates of peninsular Indian and the Australian continental portion, the subduction zone, also Himalaya from the northern part, and this part we can say the boundary of the continental conversion, and the eastern is extended through the Recomons mountains, and the eastern margin is the spreading slide through the Java Trench, and along with the Java Trench and the eastern margin is the spreading site laying the earth of the Australia is form of the oceanic ridge. It means that the here I show you the what was the present situation when the in the 7.1 crore year earlier, the situation of the India is that, and after that slightly it was the tilt, and slowly it was the tilt, and the and going to the present situation is called the in present situation it was the is we show that on the map is the Indian plates, and it means that the some plates are working in the mental part in on the crust part, and that was moves from each others, and that are the part of the movements, and due to this movement the earthquake and the volcanoes, they are also going they are also uh, create, and their parts there are a lot of some we can say the some other part of hills and the river and the mountain, they are also set up due to the some internally parts, and the lava comes from the mantle part, and due to this plates there are the lot of some we can say some other forms, and the some other objects are created by this plates, like a uh, Shivalik range and the Himalayas and the other landforms also created by these plates. Okay, thank you.